The parking brake warning light is a critical safety indicator on your vehicle's dashboard that serves multiple important functions beyond just showing when your parking brake is engaged. The primary function of this warning light is to indicate when your parking brake is engaged. You'll see this red brake light illuminate on your dashboard whenever the parking brake is active. However, this warning light also serves several secondary functions. It can alert you to low brake fluid levels, general brake system malfunctions, ABS system issues, or problems with the master cylinder. When the parking brake warning light stays on, there are several common causes. The most frequent, accounting for 40% of cases, is that the parking brake is not fully released due to cable adjustment issues or frozen cables. Low brake fluid accounts for 25% of cases, often caused by leaks or worn brake pads. System malfunctions, including faulty switches and damaged wiring, represent another 20% of issues. Electronic parking brakes have become increasingly common, with over 75% of new vehicles in 2024 featuring EPB systems, up from just 45% in 2020. These systems are now integrated with advanced driver assistance systems. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic capabilities, including OBD3 integration, smartphone connectivity for remote monitoring, and even predictive maintenance systems that can identify potential failures before warning lights activate. It's crucial to address parking brake warning lights promptly. Ignoring these warnings can lead to serious safety risks while driving, damage to braking system components, and costly repairs if left unaddressed. Your safety depends on a properly functioning brake system. When your parking brake warning light stays on, start with a systematic visual inspection. This is your first line of defense in diagnosing the problem. First, check your brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir. Low brake fluid is one of the most common causes of a persistent parking brake warning light. Next, verify that your parking brake lever or pedal is fully released. Sometimes the brake appears released but hasn't fully disengaged mechanically. If visual inspection doesn't reveal the problem, the next step is electronic diagnosis using an OBD scanner. An OBD scanner retrieves specific error codes that pinpoint the exact issue. This dramatically increases your diagnostic accuracy from 65% to 89%. Connect the scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port and retrieve brake system codes. Modern vehicles provide detailed information about sensor failures, actuator problems, and system malfunctions. Based on the diagnostic codes, you may need to test individual components like sensors, switches, and actuators. Component testing involves checking individual sensors, actuators, and switches. For electronic parking brake systems, manufacturer-specific calibration procedures may be required. If low brake fluid is the culprit, inspect for leaks and check brake pad wear. Worn brake pads cause fluid levels to drop as the system compensates for pad thickness. For electronic parking brake systems, software updates can resolve many issues. Some manufacturers now offer over-the-air updates that can fix EPB problems remotely. Keep in mind that electronic parking brake repairs average 25% higher costs than traditional systems, ranging from $300 to $800. When in doubt, seek professional diagnosis. Proper diagnostic procedures significantly increase repair success rates and ensure your safety on the road.